Hello YouTube, this is Jerry D from Tennessee talking about another stock today. So I've spoke about this stock before. LTNC, the ticker's been Labor Smart Incorporated. They're going through some changes. If you go and this is a staffing company, Labor Smart. That's what the original ticker is going to be, but they're moving into other markets. So here's what they're doing. They put out news this week. Manny Pacquiao, and forgive me if I mispronounce that name because I'm not into boxing and I don't follow this. And the Manny Pacquiao Foundation signed an endorsement deal with LTNC Takeover Industries. All right, so again, this company is this company's been filing stuff, trying to get the stop sign off of the stock. The stock is currently a nickel a share, just under 6 cents a share. You can see they filed 2 8Ks back in February. So here's the Labor Smart. If you click the link to go to Labor Smart, this is Labor Smart. Part of the company. So this, I believe this is still in operation. I'm not sure what's going to happen to this. I mean, maybe this is going to be a sister company to this main company. So they've got into making hydro stations, okay, for H2 for Life. So you can go, if you go to h2forlife.com, you can check out the site. I believe I showed this site in a previous video. They're coming out with this thing called hydrogen spring water, which is supposed to perk you up, be healthy. I think the customer base will be people that's health conscious, that's into an active lifestyle. As you can see, here's a guy that's hiking. The lady is out. She's probably been running, trail running. So anyway, you can go check it out, h2forlife.com, because I am not a stock advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy. I'm just an old man on YouTube talking about stocks. So it's just what it is. And I am in this stock. Okay, I'm saying I believe in this. I believe this is going on. There's a lot of news going out on Twitter. If you go out and search Twitter. So I don't know. It has a lot of potential. It's cheap if you want to buy into a stock. You know, it's not. Is it going to make you rich tomorrow, next week? No, probably not. You're going to have to sit on this stock for a while. Would be my realistic view of it. So, where is the story? Let's go to the story. I thought I had it open. Oh, okay. It didn't open it up on Global Newswire. It opened it up within OTC markets. So, here's a news release they had this past Wednesday, April 28th, 2021. Manny Pacquiao and the Manny Pacquiao Foundation signed an endorsement deal with LTNC Takeover Industries. Alright, so the boxing champion, Manny is a boxer. Boxing champion Manny Pacquiao is regarded as one of the greatest professional boxers of all time, and it is the only boxer in history to win titles in 8 different weight classes. That's pretty impressive. 8 weight classes. I couldn't imagine what you have to do to fight 8 weight classes, because that's based on how much you weigh. Maybe it's through his whole career. Maybe he's been doing it since he was a young lad or whatever. But anyway, in addition to serving as a senator of the Philippines, Pacquiao is also founder of the Manny Pacquiao Foundation, a California-based nonprofit fighting for those less fortunate and spreading hope around the world. So Manny Pacquiao said to create a partnership with an innovative company like Takeover Industries that is focused on health and athletic performance when NXT level hydrogen water is truly exciting. I look forward to improved performance and recovery in my own training regimen while helping educate others about many health benefits of hydrogen water. So they have signed this. They signed an agreement with Manny, and the game is on. We're going to see where this goes. Having an athlete behind your product usually helps the product to sell. I believe the quick markets and stuff's going to start selling this water. They were planning on getting this out in stores this summer. I've not seen any myself. I want to try it myself and see what I think about it. But anyway, the stock is just a nickel. Right there's the price. If this takes off, I could see this going to dollar land. Am I saying it's going to dollar land? That it's going to be $1, $10 a share? No, I'm not going to promise you that. I think it has potential to do it. You will not know till people start trading on this stock and as it gets more widely known. When this product hits the shelves and people start buying it, if the product is successful and it sells, people like it, and people are buying the product, then that's when the stock is going to take off. Okay? As with any stock, as with all stocks really, investing in stocks, you're taking a chance. You don't know what the stock's going to do. The price of the stock is dependent upon the people buying and selling the stock. That's just it in a nutshell. So anyway, that's my 5 cents. I wanted to get this out. I should have got it out sooner, and I'll be back and forth about it because I don't want to look like I'm pumping the stock, because I'm not trying to pump the stock. I'm not saying this is going to be $10 a share in a month or whatever. You don't know. The reality of this, you do not know, but I do know this is a real company. They're coming out. They've come out. They put up this new website about the product. They're putting news out on OTC Markets and Global Newswire. They're doing all the right things to help the stock. Okay, if this was a dead stock ticker, you would not be seeing news coming out on Global Newswire. So that's a big plus. So once they get this stop sign removed, after they file some more paperwork with the OTC, they get this stop sign removed and they're OTC pink, then I do believe the stock will take off. It has potential to take off. But again, you don't know till people start buying into the stock. But I think the stock is cheap. This is the time to get into it if you're going to try to invest into something that may take off. A nickel a share is cheap for a stock. I mean, what could it go to? I mean, maybe it does hit $1 a share, but I don't think it's going to do it in a week. I don't think it's going to do it in a month. It might do it by the end of the summer. Depends on how quick they get product out and how widely accepted the product is. It's probably may depend on the price of the product that's on the shelf too. So, we shall see. We shall see. I just wanted to put this out there, just alert some people. If you're looking for something to invest in, this may be a good. It's a hot topic on Twitter. If you go out and do a search on $LTNC, there's a lot of people talking about this product. And right here's the foundation. This is a real celebrity, a real athlete. So there you go. Go to actually the article. If you go to OTC Markets, the link to that page is in this article right here. The Pacquiao Foundation.org. I hope I'm not really messing up his name. I really hate to do that. I'm bad with names, and I apologize if I am. But right there's the link. If you go to OTC Markets, look at the news. find where it's talking about the endorsement deal, and there's the article. Here's the website, and again, if you want to check out the product, it's h2forlife.com. And again, I thank you for checking out my video, and I hope that this next week will be a profitable week for everybody. Again, do not invest money that you can't afford to lose, that you can't stand to lose. Keep food on the table, keep a roof above your head, keep your lights on. As with investing, all investing is a risk. With stocks, you don't know what the stock's going to do. Nothing in the stock market is guaranteed. You've just got to be in on the right side of the investment at the right time. So, buy low, sell high when you can. Look at the charts. Look at L2 before you buy into it. Look at the sales, the real-time sales of the stocks. Just everything you can to keep yourself informed as you're buying into the stock, and then make your decision on whether or not you want into the stock. I've been into the stock for a little bit, for a few weeks, so and this stock does it have no, it won't show the chart here. Let's go up here. Let's go to Yahoo Finance, LTNC. So there's the stock. It's choppy right now, but I mean, like I said, if the product takes off and it becomes popular year to date, so within the past 6 months, it's went up. And I bought into it under $1. I bought in under a cent when I bought in. So I guess maybe I've been in this stock a little longer than I thought, but it's still cheap. You can see anybody that's bought in earlier this year should be in the green right now. And you see it's holding its price. It's peaked at 7 cents, and then it's dropped, and it's holding around 5 cents a share. It's been up to 6 and then come down to 5. So it's actively traded, is my point. And again, the traders, the people that's investing, is what's deciding the price of the stock. And there you go. I think this has potential. It could hit $1. It could hit 50 cents. It could hit 75 cents. You don't know. You really don't know what the stock's going to do. All you can do is look at and see. The positive thing is the company's doing all the right things to get the price up. Right here on Yahoo Finance, right there, the top story 4 days ago is about the endorsement. So that's a good sign. If you don't have any news at all, it's probably not good. The stock may be dead if you're not seeing any news, anything going on. And sometimes the companies go dark, and sometimes they don't release news on the public, but they have a website they're releasing information about the company, like the Blue Sphere. So, it is what it is. But anyway, thank you for watching my video. I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, I'm going to come out with more stock videos. I'd love for you to hit the bell. That's going to push out notifications for people to know when I put out a new video. I'd love for you to click the like. That's going to get that out in front of people. That'll help YouTube to know, hey, this might be something we want to push it out in front of people concerning stocks for people to watch, and that'll help my viewers to see new videos too. It'll help me gain subscriptions as well. But anyway, thank you for watching my video. And again, this is Lonely Old Jerry from Tennessee. An old man talking about stocks. I'm not a stock advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to invest in this stock. I'm telling you might want to look into this stock. Okay, I am interested. I am invested in this stock. I have a small position, and I'm going to hold, and I'm going to see what this stock's going to do. So again, you could take $500 and get you a small amount of shares, and if it goes up 50 cents, maybe it'll be $5,000. You turn 500 and 5,000. Who knows what it's going to do? I've not sat down and done the math. I'd have to sit down with the calculator because right now my mind's not calculating very well. Anyway, thank you again for watching my video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. I hope you folks have had a good weekend. Hope this next week is a good profitable week for you. Good safe week. Stay away from the coronavirus. I'm slated in about another week or so. I'm going to be taking the second shot of the Pfizer, and hopefully it doesn't knock me for the loop like the first one did. But we'll see what happens. I think at my age, I'm 57 years old. I think at my age, I'm better off taking the vaccine instead of taking the risk of catching COVID and it really getting bad, because I hear it's pretty bad. The older you are, the worse it is. So, and I mentioned in a previous video that I had a coworker that passed away from COVID, so it kind of hit home. It's unfortunate, but yeah, the COVID is real. It's not something the government's made up. I highly recommend, especially if you're on up in years like me, that you should take the vaccine. The government is just trying to help you. They're just trying to keep people from getting sick and dying. So anyway, I'm sorry I got off on the side trail, but anyway, I have elected to take the vaccine, and we'll see what happens about that. I'll let you all know how that goes too. So anyway, you folks have a good Sunday afternoon, and the rest of the weekend, what's left of it, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. I might not have this up till Sunday night, late Sunday night after church, but anyway, I hope everybody has a good weekend. I hope this next week's a good week for you, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Hey, thanks for coming by. Glad you checked out the video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, please click on the like button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. May God bless you, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.